Let's take a tour inside our project and see the application workflow. In order to start our project, I first started XAMPP for starting the MariaDB server. Okay, just started Apache and MySQL and went to the admin section and imported .sql file. So in here, okay, if you go to this section, okay, you can see that there's an option called import. Just click in here and choose the file. In at my case, I have saved .sql file in my project directory that is named as database folder. Database folder, you can find that. Okay, you can just open and import this .sql file. It will automatically create all the tables that is needed for running this project. Okay, for now I am not going to import because I have already imported it. This name is Kenakata. If you click in here, you can see that we have four tables. These tables are used for storing the data. Okay, so I'm going to delete some card because I'm going to show from the starting how these data are actually inserting into the database. So I'm going to delete here, delete. Okay, okay. Now I'm going to navigate to the admin panel. Okay, just type localhost colon 8080 slash admin. Okay, sorry, I have not started my application. Okay, so I have gone to the uh, Eclipse ID and started the Spring application. You can see that in the console the Spring Boot application has started. So I'm going to locate to the admin option, just entering the address. Okay, if I start my address admin section, you can see that there is a page for entering the username and password. I'm going to enter admin and 123. Now I have entered the admin section. This admin page is actually divided into three parts, that is actually categories, product and customer. In the category section you can add any kind of category. For now I am going to delete this laptop. Okay, these are the product categories. I'm going to add a product category name laptop. Now my laptop has been added. Okay, you can also update. Okay, I- I'm going to say laptop. Apple. So you can also update any kind of information in the category. And to navigate to the home page and see the product. These are the products that is actually entered by the admin. Now I'm going to, I mean, you can also delete any kind of product. Okay, you can also, I have deleted the chips. Okay, I'm going to add MacBook Air. Okay, then Apple laptop. The price is actually 90K and it is about 800 gram, and I have actually 200 in my store. MacBook limited edition. I'm going to upload an image in the database, that is actually Mac. Okay. I've successfully added uh, product. You can also add another product that I have deleted. It's, the price is about 20 taka. It's about 50 gram. I have actually 150, and this is actually Lay's tomato flavor. And okay, I have also uploaded the image. You can also update any kind of details. For now on, I'm going to edit the product details of chips. I'm going to say tomato tangy flavor and update. Okay. So this is the products. These are the products, and in the home page you can see admin can also see the customer details. Okay, these are the customer that is actually, I mean, registered in his website. So I'm going to go to the user part. Okay, just type localhost dot 8080 and this will navigate you through the user page. So for now, let's assume I do not have any kind of account, so I'm going to register in here. So my Mehdi out here, Mehdi at the rate of gmail.com, and I'm going to set 333, and my address is 30 Board Bazaar, Kajif. Let's register. Okay. So in the admin panel, the admin can see a user have registered. Okay. So I'm going to the user section. Okay. So I'm going to log in with my latest ID. That is actually Mehdi IoT, and the password is 333. There are some buttons in the home section. If you click home, it will navigate you to home. If you, I mean, click collection, it will take you to the collection part. If you want to see the special discounts, just click specials. If you want to see the popular items, just click popular. If you want to know about the Kenakata online shop, just click in here. Okay, you can see the details about us. Okay, now I'm going to navigate to the home part. Okay, now let's assume I'm going to buy this perfume. Okay, this is actually successfully added in my cart. Okay, this laptop, this watch, and also these chips. Okay, now just go to the cart section and see I have successfully added 4 products in my cart. Now I have decided that I'm not going to buy this watch. Now just click delete. Okay, this will delete the product. If I want to continue or add some products, just click continue shopping. Okay, I'm going to add this formal shirt. Okay, and go to the section. Okay, you can easily check out from here. Okay, so I'm going to check out. If you check out, this will take you to the this section. Okay, just input your card details, everything, and pay. If you want to contact with us, just give your name and fill this form and everything. If you have any kind of question, query, or complaint, just write it in here and send, so that Kenakata representatives can reply you. Okay, if you want to buy anything, okay, this will navigate through the cart and this will take you to the buy section. Okay, you can also buy from clicking these buttons, and in here you can see the links about us and also some links, and these are the the social accounts to follow us, platforms. You can follow in these platforms and also contact the shop. Okay, so this is all about our project. Now we are going to see the what is actually working behind it. Okay, we are going to see the codes. So in the Eclipse IDE, there is a application named KENAKATA application.java. So whenever I start this actually starts and you can easily log into the website or do everything. Okay, in the admin controller.java, this section actually works as a controller for the for whole website in the admin section. Okay, this actually gets the mapping of the JSP files that we are actually calling from the website. Okay, see, it is actually get mapping for index and returning index. So what is it? It is what it actually returns. Okay, it is actually returning the these JSP files. Okay, there's a JSP named index. So whenever you have click slash index, it will take you to the index slash admin. Okay, and if want to see what is actually working, just okay. So in here, I'm going to click admin. So what is actually happening? Okay, so uh, whenever you write an address, this Java application actually gets mapping for it. It's slash admin. Okay, and returns you to the admin login page. Okay, so let's see if I log in. Okay, for slash admin home, this is actually returning admin home page. Okay, and controller is also connecting with the database to do some actions like select or insert or updating the data, also deleting the data. Okay, our user part is also doing the same. This is actually for the user section. I mean, to manage the user part. Okay, whenever I call okay user login. Okay, this part is actually working for the user section. So if I log in and click in the cart section or okay, see, okay, slash cart. Okay, what is actually happening? This slash cart is get mapping in this code and returning this page. Okay, so if I want to see the JSP files, okay, so I'm going to go to here. Okay, slash index. Okay, so this is actually index JSP. So in the index JSP, you can see that these are all HTML and CSS and Bootstrap code for the front end. And in here, you can see we are connecting to the database and calling the product details and images from the database. And it is actually working in a loop. So whenever admin, I mean, updates or adds any kind of product, our page actually dynamically calls those products and show you. Okay, even in our register JSP, it is also, I mean, yeah, I mean, stores data in the database. These are all files that is actually working for buy for cart. Okay, in the cart you can see that we are connecting to the cart table that is actually in here. Okay, see, this is our cart. Okay, so that you can actually delete any products on the cart or pay. Okay, or add any kind of product to the cart. So these are all the things that is actually working behind the code, and this is actually pom.xml for adding the dependencies in our project. And this is application properties. You can also define your port. Suppose I am using port 8080 by default, you can use port 3307 if you write, I mean, if you want to define in here. and that's it. These are all the things that is actually working behind this application, this beautiful application that is